Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. Now in today's session, I'm going to show you how to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet in SharePoint. I hope you'll stay tuned, but before we start, let's watch my intro. Okay, I have here my SharePoint site open and I have uploaded that Excel spreadsheet onto the documents library and it's called sales, and I'll just open that so that you will see what is inside that Excel spreadsheet. Now before we create a list from an Excel spreadsheet, there are some requirements that needs to be done. First, this has to be formatted as a table. And secondly, that Excel spreadsheet has to be uploaded in one of the documents library in SharePoint. Now, let's create a list based on this sales Excel spreadsheet. We go to the site contents, go to new, go to list, and then choose the from Excel. Choose your Excel spreadsheet from your documents library and click next. You will now be redirected and it will show us the data that we have in our Excel spreadsheet. This is where you're going to choose the data type. So in this case, I'm going to choose the currency, and then for this, I'm going to have it as a date and time. And then after which, I will now hit the next button, name your list, and then hit the create. And what comes out would be a new list, and it is populated with the data coming from your Excel spreadsheet. And you can now change the data type in here if you like, edit that, and then I don't want to include the time, and then hit the save button. And there you go. And there you go. That is how to create a list from your Excel spreadsheet in SharePoint. Just remember the two requirements: that the data has to be formatted as a table, name it, and after which upload it into a document library in your SharePoint site. I hope you've learned something from this session. If you like it, please hit that like button and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.